Hello everyone! Welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. In today's episode, you and I are going to have a conversation together. I've been receiving a lot of feedback that with all of my live streams and the videos that I'm posting, it's been helping you to improve your listening skills, which is great. That was the goal. But now I'm receiving feedback that everyone can understand me, but they're having a hard time being able to speak. Some people freeze up, or some people just kind of have a loss for words. They don't know what to say. Today's challenge is going to be a dialogue. I will provide the script. There will be 5 conversations. They are short, don't worry. Before we do the dialogue together, I will read the whole conversation at a normal native English speaker speed. That way, you can set a goal for yourself. That is the speed and the tone that you should be speaking if you'd like to speak more like a native English speaker. Then, after I read the whole conversation at normal speed, I will be person A, and then you will be person B. When it's your time to speak, I will be silent, and I will ding, just so you know that it is your time to speak. Then, after we go through one conversation together where I am person A, you are person B, we will reverse the roles. So you will start the conversation as person A, then I will be person B. So again, there are 5 conversations, and I hope you find this video to be useful. Before we get started, please click like, subscribe, and share this video with any of your friends who are also learning English. And if you're interested in continuing this speaking practice, I have some ebooks. The link is in the description below. So now I'm going to share my screen so we can read the script together. Conversation 1, catching up. Again, I will read the whole script at normal speed. Then I will be person A. I will speak at a moderate speed. Then you will be person B. Then we will reverse the roles. Conversation 1, catching up. Hey, how have you been? I've been pretty good lately, just trying to stay productive. How's your week been so far? It's been a mix of busy and relaxing, but not too stressful. Are you tired today? A little, but I'm managing. I just need to sleep more. Same here. Work has been crazy busy. Yeah, I totally understand. My week has been packed too. What are you doing later today? I'm thinking about resting a bit and maybe watching something. Ready? I will be person A and you will be person B. Hey, how have you been? How's your week been so far? Are you tired today? Same here. Work has been crazy. What are you doing later today? How was that? Now I will be person B. So you will start the conversation. Ready? I've been pretty good lately, just trying to stay productive. It's been a mix of busy and relaxing, but not too stressful. A little, but I'm managing. I just need more sleep. Yeah, I totally understand. My week has been packed too. I'm thinking about resting a bit and maybe watching something. Now we will go to conversation 2. This is about making plans. First, I will read the conversation at a normal speed, and then I will be letter A and you will be letter B. Hey, do you want to grab coffee this weekend? Sure, that sounds great. I could really use a break. What day works for you? Saturday works best since I'm usually free that day. Morning or afternoon? Afternoon would be perfect. I'm slower in the mornings. Want to meet there or should I pick you up? Let's just meet there so it's easier for both of us. Perfect. I'll text you the details. I will be person A. Hey, do you want to grab coffee this weekend? What day works for you? Morning or afternoon? Want to meet there or should I pick you up? Perfect. I'll text you the details. All right. Now you will be person A and I will be person B. Sure, that sounds great. I could really use a break. Saturday works best since I'm usually free that day. Afternoon would be perfect. I'm slower in the mornings. Let's just meet there so it's easier for both of us. Nice job! Now we are moving on to conversation 3. This is about daily life problems. I will start by reading the conversation in normal speed, then we will do the dialogue together. I'm so tired today. Seriously, what happened? Did you not sleep enough? I stayed up too late last night. Oh wow, that'll definitely make the day harder. Work has been crazy this week. Same here, my whole schedule has been non-stop. Are you stressed? Yeah, a little. I've been juggling too many things lately. What do you do to relax? I usually rest, watch a show, or take a quiet walk. I will be person A. I'm so tired today. I stayed up too late last night. Work has been crazy this week. Are you stressed? What do you do to relax? Nice job. Now you will be person A and I'll be person B. Seriously? What happened? Did you not sleep enough? Oh wow, that'll definitely make the day harder. Same here. My whole schedule has been non-stop. Yeah, a little. I've been juggling too many things lately. I usually rest, watch a show, or take a quiet walk. Very good. Now we will move on to conversation 4, checking in. I will read the whole conversation in normal speed. Hey, are you okay? You seem quiet lately. I'm just a bit tired and overwhelmed, but I'm okay. I get it. Some days are hard. Yeah, it feels like everything hit me at once. Do you want to talk about it? Maybe later. I'm still processing things. I'm here if you need anything. Thanks, that means a lot. I appreciate it. Want to go for a walk later? Yeah, that actually sounds really nice. I will be person A. Hey, are you okay? You seem quiet today. I get it. Some days are hard. Do you want to talk about it? I'm here if you need anything. Want to go for a walk later? Nice job! Now you will be person A and I will be person B. I'm just a bit tired and overwhelmed, but I'm okay. Yeah, it feels like everything hit me at once. Maybe later. I'm still processing things. Thanks, that means a lot. I appreciate it. Yeah, that actually sounds really nice. And now on to the last conversation, conversation 5. This conversation is about what we are doing today and what we will be doing. What'd you do this morning? I ate breakfast, got ready, and tried to plan my day a little. What was the best part of your day? Probably taking a break and relaxing for a bit. What are you doing tomorrow? I have a few things planned, but nothing too stressful. How are you feeling right now? I'm feeling pretty good and a bit more focused. Tell me one goal for next week. I want to stay consistent and keep improving my English. I will be person A. What did you do this morning? What was the best part of your day? What are you doing tomorrow? How are you feeling right now? Tell me one goal for next week. And now you will be person A. I ate breakfast, got ready, and tried to plan my day a little. Probably taking a break and relaxing for a bit. I have a few things planned, but nothing too stressful. I'm feeling pretty good and a bit more focused. I want to stay consistent and keep improving my English. How was this speaking exercise for you? Was it challenging? Was it easy? I would love to know in the comments. If you love this type of content, most of my ebooks have this format. So check out my ebooks. The link is below in the description. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye!